Hey everybody, here we have an old Ruud unit. You can barely see where the Ruud logo's left. It's not in great shape, at least the install isn't. The pad is crumbling, the unit is falling back. Data sheet's gone. Old disconnect, at least it's flipped on. Yeah, I guess that'll be it. Just a quick little video of this old Ruud unit.